Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft that allows users to organize, analyze, and manipulate data using a grid of cells. The interface of Excel is designed to be user-friendly, providing various tools and features to handle numerical calculations, data visualization, and more. Here is an introduction to the Excel interface. Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar is located at the top left corner of the Excel window, above the ribbon. It allows you to add frequently used commands for quick access such as save, undo, redo, and print. Ribbon. The ribbon is located at the top of the Excel window and contains multiple tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Each tab is divided into groups, and each group contains related commands. The ribbon provides easy access to various Excel features and functions. Formula bar. The formula bar is located below the ribbon and displays the contents of the active cell. It is where you can enter or edit formulas and data directly. The formula bar also shows the result of a formula or the value of a cell. Workbook. When you open Excel, you start with a new blank workbook, which is the main document where you create and store your data. Each workbook consists of individual worksheets, also known as tabs, where you can enter and organize data. You can create 256 worksheets in a single workbook. Column and rows. Excel uses a grid system consisting of the columns labeled with letters and rows labeled with numbers. Columns run vertically from top to bottom, while rows run horizontally from left to right. The intersection of a column and a row forms a cell. There are 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns in a single worksheet. Cells. Cells are the individual units within the grid, identified by their column and row references. For example, A1, B3. Cells can contain different types of data such as numbers, text, formulas, or functions. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window and provides information about the current mode, status, and some quick settings such as zoom level, page layout view, and calculations mode. These are some of the essential elements and features of the Excel interface. Exploring and familiarizing yourself with these components will help you navigate and utilize the extensive capability of Microsoft Excel effectively.